Welcome to the top 5 auto advice. Signs that your car is burning too much fuel. Is your car burning more fuel than usual? Keep track of your car's fuel consumption and check for warning signs such as rough idling or a decrease in acceleration. Monitor your fuel economy regularly. Check for a decrease in miles per gallon. Watch out for warning lights or unusual engine noises. Blue or gray smoke indicates burning oil. Black smoke suggests an overly rich fuel mixture. White smoke can be a sign of burning coolant or a cracked engine block. Check for a decrease in engine power or acceleration. Pay attention to the exhaust smoke color and smell. Monitor your fuel consumption and gas mileage. Check your gas cap to ensure it is properly tightened. Monitor your fuel consumption to see if it is decreasing faster than usual. Look for black smoke coming from the exhaust pipe. Several factors can cause your car to burn more fuel, including a clogged air filter, incorrect tire pressure, faulty oxygen sensor, and aggressive driving. Monitor your vehicle's fuel economy regularly. Keep your tires properly inflated. Avoid aggressive driving and excessive idling. Thank you for watching.